up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. If you aren't new, then please do hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. So as you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I received an actuator motor as well as a new Honda key. I realized a couple of months ago that the tailgate or the hatch of Robert's Jazz, when you activate the alarm, it actually was not locking. Thankfully nobody else knew about it, but we've basically been driving the car, parking it, locking it, and assuming that the hatch was also locked, but it was actually unsecured. So I ordered a new motor and it arrived. So I'm going to be fitting that today. With regards to the key, we actually did not get a spare key when we bought the car, so I ordered a new blank. Came with the remote fob buttons, or whatever you call it, as well as the transponder chip. So we just need to get the blank cut and then get the key programmed as well. But yeah, with the festive season, the orders actually arrived a bit later than what we expected, so the cutting of the key will be put in the back burner for now. But for today I'm going to be looking at fitting the actuator motor. I think that will take precedent, and that's obviously priority as well. And then later today we will be going out just for a bit to go and enjoy ourselves, thanks to one of our friends who had sponsored us with a complimentary gift. Yeah, that was following on from our engagement. So let me get to the car and start with the fitment on that actuator, and I will check back with you guys once we are done. So we've completed the tailgate actuator motor replacement in the Jazz. We are going to the big wheel at the waterfront to enjoy some time on that wheel with Robin as well, who is with me. She's hiding away here in the corner. Doesn't want to be caught on camera this time around. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys a little bit later. And we have made it to the wheel. The atmosphere is amazing around here. I mean, listen to that background live music that's going on from that marimba band. Let me just turn around quickly so I can show you guys the wheel. It's Robin already waiting in line, and I'm sure there have been a few of you that have gone up on this thing already, but it's our first time together and we are looking forward to it. Thank you.
Yeah, this one is the one to not to forget to always remember that.
Always, you
Hey,
be on
you
his
know
YouTube
what?
channel.
When you are a girlfriend, tell him you always
No,
ask
she's
for
a
girlfriend.
fiance.
She's your fiance, eh? But I'm a girlfriend. You must ask for my permission, eh? So that I can make myself beautiful for the camera, right?
Okay.
Don't be naughty.
And we are up and away. I think I need to flip my camera around so you guys can at least get a better view of this.
Oh, this is so scary, baby. Try not to look below me.
the end. That was so awesome. Yeah, we're gonna be heading on home now. We are super hungry, want to grab some food, and yeah. Anyway, we will check back with you guys again. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Well, it will be a weekday by the time you're viewing this, so have a good one, guys, and I'll catch you in the next vlog. Until then, cheers.